unfortunately I'm left-handed, so it's going to be a little hard for me to do a full demonstration of this guitar, but we will just run through the different pickup settings and just test everything's working correctly. Okay, so I'm in treble position now. We can hear our volumes rolling off. Our tones rolling off. Okay, middle position now, which is a combination of both pickups. And our final position. So everything appears to be working well. So the next thing I would do to test the guitar, pop the pickup selector in the middle position and turn the volume up to 10 on both. And just take your hands away from the guitar. Now you should hear no signs of hum at all, so no electrical interference. If you do hear any hum or any interference, it probably means there's an issue with your ground circuit. So the black wires that we installed in a circuit that were connecting up all the different components and then connecting to the bridge, you may find one of the connections has gotten loose. So it would pay just to check that first. Okay, and the last thing I would check is just the neck itself. I would play each individual fret and so on, all the way up the neck on each string. What you're listening for there are any dead notes or any signs of fret buzz. Now if you did come across any problems, you would put the guitar back up on the bench and you would check your action and check the amount of neck relief you have. Okay, so that's the end of the build. I hope you've enjoyed building your guitar as much as I have. Thanks for watching.